Hello students. Students, in this video we are going to study the different parts of electromagnetic spectrum. So our journey begins with radio waves. So students, first of all let me tell you, radio waves are discovered by scientist Marconi. The wavelength range of radio wave is a few kilometer to 0.3 meter. Students, we are able to hear the programs on radio station even few kilometers also from the broadcasting station. That's why the range is few kilometer. Then what is the frequency range? Frequency range is a few hertz to 10 to the power 9 hertz. Students, in detail if we talk about the frequency, there are three different frequencies used for radio transmission, that is AM band, TV transmission and FM radio. AM band stands for amplitude modulation band. The frequency of amplitude modulation band is 530 kilohertz to 1710 kilohertz. For TV transmission, the frequency is 54 megahertz to 890 megahertz. For FM radio, frequency modulation radio, the range of frequency is 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz. FM radio, I think you know it very well, 98.3 Radio Mirchi. Okay, then students, what is the source of this radio waves? The source of radio wave is oscillating electronic circuit. That means with the help of oscillating circuits we are able to produce radio waves. Then what is the basic property of this radio waves? हम properties के बारे में क्या कह सकते हैं? That see, wavelength of radio wave, it is ranging from kilometer to meter. Okay, this is the basic property of radio waves. And if we talk about the uses, what are their uses? For wireless communication we are using radio waves. For radio broadcasting, for TV transmission also radio signals are used. Also for marine, submarine and navigational operation radio waves are used. And even for cellular communication also radio waves are used. Okay, so these are the applications of radio waves. Now students, our next wave is microwaves. So microwaves, who is going to discover this microwaves? Microwaves are discovered by the scientist Hertz. Again, the source of microwave is same, that is oscillating electronic circuit, just like the Klystron tube. We are able to prepare microwaves. Then what is the wavelength range? Wavelength range is 0.3 meter to 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Then students, wavelength of microwave is smaller as compared to radio waves. Then what about the frequency? Frequency is 10 raised to 9 hertz to 3 into 10 to the power 11 hertz. Okay, students, what are the properties of microwaves? So see, properties of microwaves. Let's talk about the first property. It is microwaves contain certain substances. Microwaves heat certain substances on which they are incident. That means on one particular object, if you incident microwaves, that objects get heated. So we can say that microwaves gives thermal effect. Then microwaves are detected by using the crystal detector. How to detect microwaves? Microwaves are detected by using the crystal detector. One more thing, microwaves obeys all the phenomenon of light, just like reflection, refraction and diffraction. Student, in the last column I mentioned here the uses of microwaves. What are the uses of microwaves? Even in radar, analysis of fine details of atomic and molecular structure. In microwave oven, these microwaves are used. That means in the study of atomic and molecular structure, microwaves are used. For radar, in radar also, to detect the objects also we are using microwaves. Then even in microwave oven, that means microwaves are also used for cooking. Okay, after this students, our next wave is infrared wave. Okay, students, infrared waves are discovered by the scientist William Herschel. The wavelength range of infrared ray is 10 to the power minus 3 meter to 7.8 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Frequency range, it is 3 into 10 raised to 11 hertz to 4 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Okay, what is the source? How they are produced? Students, there are two ways. By bodies at higher temperature, we can produce infrared waves. Okay, that means if any body whose temperature is very high, that bodies can emit infrared waves. Then rearrangement of outer orbital electrons in atoms and molecules. That means we know that outer orbit electron, they decides the chemical properties. Okay, outer orbit electrons, they decide the chemical properties, and if we use that, by using that outer orbital electrons in from the particular molecules, we can prepare infrared waves also. Then students, what are the properties, what is the energy of infrared waves? Energy is 1.6 electron volt to 10 to the power minus 3 electron volt. Then what are the properties of infrared waves? The properties are, when infrared waves are incident on any object, that objects get heated. That means again students, infrared waves gives the thermal effect. Okay, ये क्या देते हैं? thermal effect देते हैं. If you incident infrared waves on any particular object, that infrared gives the thermal effect. Then infrared waves are strongly absorbed by the glass. Due to this reason, in summer season, the glass of windows are heated. Infrared rays, they can penetrate through the thick columns of fogs and moist. Students, in thick columns of fogs and moist, infrared rays can penetrate. Then uses, I also mentioned some uses in this PPT also, that is industry, medicine, then astronomy, night vision devices, greenhouse. So many uses are there. So let's see one by one. See, in remote sensing, in our TV remote, if you see it carefully, at the start the infrared sensor is there. If you press any key on the remote control, that sensor is, if you press any key on that remote control, that sensor is operated. Then in the diagnosis of tumor, infrared rays are used. Then used to treat the dislocation, and infrared are also used to locate the fractures also. Then one more thing, infrared binoculars are used for military operation. अगर मिलिट्री का कोई भी ऑपरेशन रात में हो रहा है, नाइट में हो रहा है, तो स्टूडेंट्स, they required night vision binoculars. So in night vision binoculars, there mostly infrared waves are used. And वो remote control, वो तो infrared waves का एक जनरल एप्लीकेशन है जो हमें पता है. ओके, वन मोर थिंग, अभी अगला वेव्स हम पढ़ते हैं.